Make a wish, Harry.
Dry up, Dursley, you great. Got something for you. Afraid I might have it at some point, but I imagine it'll taste fine just the same.
Mr. Potter, our new. Where, Mr. Potter, would you look if I asked you to find me?
I don't know, sir.
Pity.
Swish and He's got the snitch! Harry Potter receives 150 points for the snitch!
Gryffindor wins!
Don't be a fool. Why suffer an horrific death when you can me?
Never!
Would you like to see your mother and father together?
You liar!
Dobby, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you or anything. I can't many decent wizards then.
No, I haven't. Cornish p***ies.
Freshly caught Cornish. I'd ask you three to just rest of them back into bed.
How is it that a baby with no extraordinary magical talent was able to the greatest wizard of all time?
The Leaky Cauldron. That's in London. Do you hear that, Ern? The Leaky Cauldron. That's in London.
The leaky cauldron. Hey, if you have the pea soup, make sure you before you
But the Muggles, will they see us?
Muggles.
They don't see nothing, do they?
No, but if you with a fork, they feel.
Potter. How extraordinarily like your father you are. About the castle.
My dad didn't and nor do I.
Look who's here.
Ah, come to see the show.
You evil little cock.
Hermione, no.
Weasley!
Yes.
Stand!
Give us a
Well, my dad did tell me about one.
Oh, yeah, your father would know all about that. Scores of witches and wizards have claimed that they only you know who's under the influence of the Imperious Curse.
Don't you turn your back on me, Harry Potter! I want you to look at me when I you! Do nothing! He's mine!
Cedric, he asked me to bring his body back. I couldn't. Not that.
Keep everybody in their seats.
Oh, boys, just be.
Because you know, deep down, you deserve to be
A powerful memory. The happiest you can remember. Allow it to you up. Keep trying, Seamus.
You've lost, old man.
I know what you did, Malfoy. You it, didn't you?
Take my hand. We need to the Half-Blood Princes. See? You never know what you'll here. All right, close your eyes. That way you can't be tempted. I can too if you like.
Draco, years ago, I knew a boy who made all the wrong choices. Please let me.
Don't you understand? I have to do this. I have to. Please get me.
Back! You coward! Back!
It will happen Saturday next at nightfall.
I've heard differently, my lord. Dawlish the Aura has let slip that the Potter boy will not be until the 30th of this month, the day before he turns 17.
This is a false trail. I'm told it's been given every manner of protection possible. Once there, it will be impractical.
My lord, I'd like to volunteer myself for this task.
I must be the one to
Harry Potter.
Potter, you're underage, which means you've still got the trace on you.
What's the trace?
If you the ministry will know who wiped your
I'm taking that becoming me. No.
Well, none of us really fancy it, mate.
Yeah, imagine if something went wrong and we did it forever.
Fair warning. It tastes like goblin.
I've lots of experiences with that, dear Maddo. Just trying to diffuse the tension.
All right, I'll spit it out. But don't expect me to be grateful just because now there's another damn thing we've got to 1, 2, 3.
What woman would you?
Ron, it's lying! It's lying! Ron, it's lying!
Dobby has no master. Dobby is a elf. And Dobby has come to Harry Potter and his friends.
He's angry and scared too. He knows if we find and destroy all the Horcruxes, we'll be able to him.
Come on, Draco. Don't be a
I'll set the place on fire! Yeah? You and who's army?
Harry talks in his sleep. Have you noticed?
No, of course not.
We both know Lord Voldemort has ordered the Malfoy boy to me.
You must be the one me, Severus. It is the only way. You have your mother's life.
who live. Come to.
And the snake's still alive.
Yes.
And I've nothing to with.
Words are, in my not so humble opinion, our most inexhaustible source of magic. Do not the dead, Harry. The living.
I saved them. Come on, Tom. Let's finish this.